Hello everyone, and welcome to another tutorial on TechSite Builder. Today I just wanted to show you a new feature that we've implemented that will allow you to display a coming soon page. So this will come in handy if you're doing some major work on your website, or you're just starting your website and you want it to be visible on your domain. You want to let people know that something's coming, but the website itself is not quite ready for prime time yet. So in order to do this, we'll go to your dashboard, and then we will go to Site Settings under Admin Info. And then from there, the top choice says Display Coming Soon page, and we're going to choose Yes. And now it says we can write some text that will appear on the Coming Soon page in this box. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say, pardon the dust, will be back soon. Actually, I'm going to click the visual tab so I can see what it's actually going to look like. In the meantime, please contact us, and then you can put your phone number or whatever, your email address there. So I'll probably want to make this maybe a heading 2, this one a heading 3. I will center both, and then maybe I also want to put my logo at the top because this page is going to be pretty much exactly what you see here. There's no extra things on the page. So I will want to use the Add Media and choose my logo from down here. Let me see. I think maybe this is the one I want to use. We'll see. Okay, and I'm going to center that as well. So that will be centered. So there we go. My logo, my message, my coming soon message. You can also add a form. So if you use the form builder, you can use this button to add a form. So if you want to put a contact form right there, you can do that as well, but for simplicity's sake, I'm just going to leave it like that. Next, it says you can also specify a background image for this page. So that's something you can choose to do or not. Let's not do that for now. And then finally, it says when enabled, the coming soon page will be visible to all visitors except logged in users, which is you. So that way you can still work on the website and see what the website looks like, but for visitors who are not logged in, they will see your coming soon page. So let's see, let's save that. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to open an incognito window, and then I'm going to visit my site. And there you go. There's my coming soon page. So you can see it's there, pretty straightforward, right? Nothing fancy. You can edit that message to put as much or as little as you want. What I'll do now is probably add some spacing above the image and between each line, just so it kind of fills out the page a little bit more. And then I'll also go ahead and put a background image. So I'll click the upload image button and just maybe choose one of my existing images. Maybe we'll use just the this one, the guy with the with the motherboard in the background. I'll use the full-size image so that it's nice and big, 2000 pixels wide. Should be nice and big so it doesn't look blurry. So set the coming soon background. That's my background image. And then you can say how you want that image to behave. Do you want it to fill the entire screen? Do you want it to just fit so that it fits in the screen, but it doesn't necessarily fill the screen? Or do you want it to tile? I think we're all used to these terms in other areas of our life, like desktop backgrounds or stuff like that. So the default is fill. I'll just leave it as fill. Go ahead and save settings. And then let me open up my incognito window and refresh. And there we go. There is the site with the background image. And now, as you can see, I probably need to swap out my logo for one that doesn't have that white outline, and the text for some text that appears on this background better, probably white. So let me go back here. I'm going to select my text and then choose the text color from the drop down, and I will choose a custom color, and I'm going to do a slightly off-white, so something like that. Say OK. That way I can still kind of see it here if I need to make edits. And then let me swap out this image. Let me see, I'll replace it with one that I think might look a little bit better. Let me try that one. Center. Save settings. Then I'll open up my incognito window and refresh. So yeah, I'm going to have to work on finding a better logo. These logos aren't looking very good on the background image. But of course, you can just choose to not use the background image either. So that's kind of up to you. But either way, that's how you can get a nice, quick and easy coming soon message up and running so that you can work on the site. Now, one thing I forgot to show you is in the regular browser, if I go to view my website, I can see the website because I'm logged in. But as soon as I log out and then go to the home page of my website, I see that coming soon message. So there you go. That's how the coming soon functionality works. Hope you can put that to good use, and I'll see you in the next tutorial video.